this is a high-level question, and it's a non-calculator question. And I just want to look at a graph here and the function and some extra information. So let's have a look through some of this notation first of all. So A, B, C are included in Z. That means A, B, C are all integers, whole numbers. And X is any real number, and this means but not C. So X is not allowed to be C. So straight away I look at the graph and I see that this is an asymptote, X equals 3. So X is not allowed to be 3. And if X is not allowed to be 3, what I'm going to have on the bottom is the number 3 for X, take away C, that will be 0. Because I'm not allowed here to divide by 0. So this is from the graph. C must be 3. Now, the A value, so that's the value of C, the A value I get from using this asymptote 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make X a very large number. And I know that it tends towards the Y value of 1 as X becomes a very large number. Now, I don't know what A is, I don't know what B is yet. But if I make X a very, very large number, like 1,000,000, and I take away 3, well, it's going to be roughly 1,000,000 still. So let's just make this. And you could choose any larger number here. Okay, so that's 1,000,000. Now, it doesn't matter what B is, because when you divide some number like 2 or 3 or 4, or even if B was a really large number and I made this even larger, this whole thing here is going to go towards 0. So as X becomes very, very, very large, this whole thing becomes inconsequential. It becomes 0. And so that means that A is equal to 1. So when you're looking for, you're given the Y asymptote and you're looking for some value or what X tends towards as it gets larger, think about X being a very large number. So I've got C as 3, A as 1, and now I'm going to do part B. And this is where this bit comes into play. So I'm using all the information that's been given to me in the question. So I know that Y is 0 when X is 1. So I'm going to fill this in. A is 1. B I don't know. The X number here is 1. Take away 3. So this becomes minus 2. So it becomes minus 1 if I take 1 from both sides. B divided by minus 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 2. And B is 2. So I have all those answers here. C equals 3. A equals 1. And B equals 2.